There's a completely free AI image generator from Adobe that produces stunning results and is safe for commercial use, meaning you can use every image it creates in your business without any copyright concerns. Most people still don't know it exists. Today, I'm showing you everything about Adobe Firefly. Introduction. Adobe Firefly launched as Adobe's answer to Midjourney and DALL-E, but with a crucial advantage. It's trained exclusively on licensed images and Adobe stock content. This means every image it generates is free from copyright complications, making it the safest AI image tool for businesses and creators who need commercially usable visuals. Getting started. Go to fireflyadobe.com and sign in with a free Adobe account. No Creative Cloud subscription required. The free plan gives you 25 generative credits per month, which resets monthly. The interface is clean and intuitive. You'll see options for text-to-image, generative fill, text effects, and generative recolor. Text-to-image feature. Type a detailed description of the image you want, and Firefly generates 4 variations. The Style Reference feature lets you upload an image, and Firefly generates new images matching that visual style. The Content Type Selector lets you specify whether you want photorealistic images, digital art, or graphic illustrations. For YouTube thumbnails, blog headers, and social media graphics, the results are consistently professional. Generative Fill feature. The Generative Fill feature is where Firefly truly stands out. Upload any image, select an area you want to change, and type what you want to replace it with. Firefly seamlessly fills in the selected area while matching the lighting, perspective, and style of the original image. This is perfect for removing unwanted elements from photos, changing backgrounds, or adding new elements to existing images. Pro tips. Be as specific as possible in your text prompts. Include lighting conditions, color palettes, perspectives, and style references. Use the aspect ratio selector to generate images already sized correctly for your intended use. Save your best prompts in a document for future reference. Combine Firefly-generated images with Canva for a complete commercial-safe visual content workflow. Closing. Adobe Firefly gives every creator and business access to commercial-safe AI-generated images completely free. The Generative Fill feature alone makes it worth adding to your creative toolkit, even if you use other AI image tools. Try it today at firefly.adobe.com and use your 25 free monthly credits to create visuals for your next project. Subscribe for weekly AI tool tutorials and drop a comment showing me something you created with Firefly.